can we have a negative cash conversion cycle? That's what this question's really asking. And the answer is yes, we can. I'm going to immediately rule out A. Why? Well, the cash conversion cycle is days of inventory on hand. So it's looking at your inventory levels compared to the amount of sales you make. It is looking at days sales outstanding. So it's looking at your receivables and how quickly you collect that money in from your customers. And it's looking at days payables outstanding, how quickly or slowly you pay your suppliers. So yes, this could be negative. How could it be negative? Well, if your days payable on hand are greater than the combination of your days of inventory and your days sales outstanding, so looking at your inventory and your receivables balances. So what we're saying here, yes, it could be negative if inventory's low or if your receivables are low, so you're collecting money in from your customers quickly, or if your payables are high, you're taking a long time to pay your suppliers. Some combination of those in relation to sales figures, cost of sales figures. So let's have a look. B, is it possible? Yes, because the issuer has sufficient cash and marketable securities on hand to support short-term needs. Nothing I've just mentioned is talking about cash and marketable securities. They don't impact the cash conversion cycle at all. That's not going to be the right answer. Let's hope that C is. Is it possible? Yes, because the investment in inventory is returned quickly. That would mean that we have got low days of inventory on hand. The stock in our warehouse at the end of the year is not a huge amount compared to the amount that we normally buy and produce during the year and then sell. And the issuer takes advantage of vendor financing, i.e. they're taking a long time to pay their suppliers. So the days payable outstanding is high. It's a high proportion of the total amount they're having to pay their suppliers. So yes, I like C. C is the correct answer here. You can have a negative cash conversion cycle. Some combination of low days on hand, low days sales outstanding, they don't tell us about that one here, or high days payables outstanding.